Okay, I'm testing this out. I got a new mic and I also have a tripod. My niece bought that for my birthday. And these are the scratch tickets that I'm going to do. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. As you can see, I have all Clover all over. Dollar ticket number 50. If you uncover a Clover or a hat. With the hat symbol, you double your prize, and uncover a Clover, automatically win that prize. And the odds on this is cash prize 1.852, free ticket to 1,000. Okay. And I got 2 tickets of Lucky Dog Doubler 053 and 054. Match any of your numbers to any of the 3 numbers, win that prize. Uncover a dog color symbol, automatically win that prize. Uncover a doghouse symbol, automatically win double. And the odds are winning on this one is odds are winning any prize is 1.433, cash prize 1.662, from free tickets to 20,000. Okay, I'm going to do this one first. And let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. You may hear Bagheerga. Here she comes. Bagheerga throw. Oh, well, you might be a good luck kitty. What are you being nosy for? Hi, boo-boo. All right, here we go. We're going to scratch this one and see what happens. And she's going to sit right there. Oh, my goodness. Boo-boo, you going to give me good luck or what? Okay, you want to say hi to everybody? Say hello. How are you? I'm getting in Thea's way. All right, you silly cat.